Welcome to DhruboSphere, where learning is always fun. Today we're visiting the zoo to meet some wild, wonderful animals. Are you ready? Let's go on a zoo adventure. Lion, meet the lion, the king of the jungle. Its loud roar can be heard from far away. Elephant. Elephants have big floppy ears and super long trunks. They love to splash water and play. Giraffe. Giraffes have super long necks to eat leaves from tall trees. Their spots help them hide in the forest. Zebra. Zebras look like horses, but wear black and white stripes like pajamas. No two zebras have the same stripes. Monkey. Monkeys are funny and love to swing through trees. They enjoy munching on yummy bananas. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes that help them sneak quietly. They are very strong and fast hunters. Hippopotamus. Hippos love to chill in the water all day. Their big mouths can open really wide. Rhinoceros. Rhinos have a big horn on their nose and thick skin like armor. They walk slowly but are very powerful. Panda. Pandas love eating bamboo and look like cuddly teddy bears. They spend lots of time rolling and playing. Kangaroo. Kangaroos jump super high and carry their babies in a cozy pouch. They live far away in Australia. Flamingo. Flamingos are bright pink and love to stand on one leg. They get their color from the food they eat. Crocodile. Crocodiles have big, sharp teeth and love to swim in rivers. They wait quietly to catch their dinner. Peacock. Peacocks show off their big, colorful feathers to make new friends. Their feathers shine in the sunlight like rainbows. Ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds and can run super fast. They can't fly, but their legs are very strong. Mircat. Mircats stand tall to watch for danger. They live in groups and take care of each other. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are very smart and use tools to get food. They love to play and swing from trees. Leopard. Leopards have beautiful spots and are excellent climbers. They like to hide in trees and watch carefully. Tortoise. Tortoises move slowly but carry a strong shell to protect themselves. They can live for a very long time. Hyena. Hyenas laugh loudly and live in groups called clans. They are great hunters and very smart too. That was an amazing zoo trip. Which animal did you like the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DhruboSphere for more animal fun. Bye-bye, zoo explorers!